Hello guys, this is Boy Pink. I'm back from this video. Today I'll walk you through how to solve the lab remote code execution via web shell upload. The goal of this lab is to upload the basics PHP web shell, using it to exfiltrate the content of the home/Carlos/secret. Submit this secret using the button provided in the lab panel, and let's access the lab and make sure that Fox proxy turn on your browser and turn on the PortSwigger. And let's go to our lab. We have condition here, our condition here, wiener and beater. Let's copy that, and let's go to my account. Go to intercept with the pair, with the username beater, wiener with the password beater, and hit login. You see we have here file upload, and make that intercept is on, and let's choose an image, and let's choose that download.png. Click on it, and let's hit upload, and let's forward the request. See, we have successfully upload the image. You see account/avatar, face the page, and let's forward. You see my account/avatar. Let's forward the request, forward, and let's back. Let's upload you need to make file with the extension PHP. Is here with the following code. This code to navigate the Carlos/secret. Let's go back. Intercept is on our image. You see we have successfully uploaded the PHP file, and let's go and navigate our file. See file. Let's delete that, file/avatar.php. You see we have the secret, and let's submit our secret with